In this video, we have taken a funny topic for you. We are going to show you how to make animated and even angry emoji in PowerPoint. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for awesome tutorials and notification, so you can keep getting our videos. Let's start the video. Open PowerPoint, right click, go to Format Background, select Color, go to Insert tab, Shapes, select Circle, Shape Outline, make it No Outline. Select Color from Shape Fill. Size 19 cm and 19 cm. And Align Center, Align Middle. Go to Shadow, select Inner Shadow. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right side. Size 5 cm and 5 cm. Select Inner Shadow. Select Color. Again press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right. Size 2.7 cm and 2.7 cm. Select Color from Shape Fill. Select both. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right. Select this circle. Go to Insert, Shapes. Select Rounded Rectangle. Hold the yellow point, pull right side. Outline, no outline. First select circle, next select rectangle. Select Subtract from More Shape. Click on Insert, Shapes. Select Rectangle. Hold the yellow point, pull left side. Shape Outline, no outline. Select Color from Shape Fill. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the down. Click on Rotate. Select Flip Vertical. Again press Ctrl Shift and drag to the up. Increase size. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right. Select both and select Color from Shape Fill. Let's bring some life to this emoji. Select Circle Shape. Go to Animation tab. Select Grow and Shrink. Click on Animation Pane. Timing. Start with previous. Duration 0.25 seconds. Until end of slide. Go to Effect. Custom size 103. Then enter. Select Auto Reverse. Then OK. Select this shape. Select line. Set on half eye as if covering one side. Go to Timing. Start with previous. Until end of slide. Go to Effect. Smooth Start 0. Smooth End 0. Select Auto Reverse. Then OK. Select Shape. Click on Animation Painter. Apply this shape. Again click on Animation Painter and apply this shape. Go to Effect option, select Up. Again click on Animation Painter and apply this shape. Go to Effect option, select Down. And adjust. Click on Animation Painter, apply this shape. Go to Effect option, select Left. Click on Painter and apply this. Select this shape and send to back. Let's start the slideshow and see. Our animated and irritated emoji is ready. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. Before you go, be sure to check our other amazing tutorials, and if you want to stay updated with all our latest video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you.